surrender. That's why I remember it's the simple things.
Hey girlies, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have another hair review. I am trying out Beauty Forever hair. Let me show you guys the box. So this is the box the hair comes in, and I really do like when companies like put their hair in a box. It shows me that you care about your brand and you've taken the time to like brand your box and stuff. So if you do want to see my thoughts on this hair and see me wash it, see how it looks after washing, after all of that jazz, then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so I just finished making this wig from Beauty Forever. The hair is Brazilian straight. I will leave the lengths down below, or I would make it like pop up on the screen or something like that. But this is the hair. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's nice and thick, but not overly thick. It's really nice and flowy, and it has not tangled at all. Like I can run my hands through it a million times and it's not tangled. But I haven't washed it yet, so of course I will be washing it, like styling it and everything to show you guys how the hair kind of performs. So I did use the glue gun method to make this wig, and if you do want to know how I make my wigs using the glue gun, I have already made a video. I'm not talking in the video because it's kind of just self-explanatory. You put the hot glue onto the track and then you stick it down. Like there's literally nothing to say. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on so you guys can see how it looks before I wash it. Then I'm gonna wash it and then I'll come back and show you how it looks after washing and plucking and all of that jazz. Okay, so far the wig fits nice and snug on my head. Of course I do have to customize it, like do some plucking, you know, cut off the lace, put some concealer, all of that jazz. But as for the actual bundles and hair texture, it feels really soft. As you can see, like my hands are just gliding through the hair. There's no like tangling. Let's see if there's any shedding. Okay, so there's no shedding at all from this wig so far. I do say that because I hot glue gun my wigs, I don't get any shedding because of course like every single hair is, you know, glued onto the wig. By the way, if you're wondering, this top is from Zaful. It was meant to be a dress, but it's super short and I'm not that type of girl, so it's like a top with, for me, I would wear it with like jeans or leggings or something, but it's a super cute crushed velvet top from Zaful. I will have a Zaful haul coming very soon. So this hair from Beauty Forever feels super soft. As you can see, it's just got so much movement to it. It is really soft and it is tangle free. And yeah guys, I'm gonna go and wash the wig now, and then I will do a little bit of plucking, a little bit of customizing here at the top, and I will come back with my final review of this hair. Okay guys, and I'm back. So it is like 2 days later. I did wash the hair, I let it air dry. I also plucked a little bit from the part. I put like my foundation powder on the part. I also cut a little bit of baby hairs, you guys will see once I take this off, and I put some styling foam like on the top so it lays flat. So let's just go ahead and plop this wig on and I'll show you guys how the hair looks. This, by the way, hasn't been straightened. I haven't put any product. This is how the hair looks straight after washing, and it is really soft and silky still. You can see like my hand runs straight through, no tangles. It does have a little bit of wave to it at the end, but overall I'm really happy with how it is. It's not completely waved up, it's still relatively straight. Okay guys, so this is how the hair looks on. I'm loving the construction of the wig, if I say so myself. I'm gonna go ahead and like touch up the baby hairs and make it stick to my head. So for that, I'm gonna take the Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze spray, and I'm just gonna spray my hard, what's this called, toothbrush. It's like a smoker's toothbrush, but I use it for my baby hairs. And now I'm just gonna swoop this baby hair. It's already done because of course I did it when it was on the mannequin head, but I just need to like stick it to my own head. Okay, then once that's how I like it, I'm just gonna do a little spritz of the freeze spray right on top. Now I'm gonna take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark and just touch up the part. And I'm also going to do a little bit kind of around the baby hairs to make it look like it's my own roots. So now I'm going to take my bandana and just set this area for like 2 minutes, just so it lays down the whole day. Because I'm going to my nanny's today because it is my birthday on Wednesday. Well, I don't know if this video will be up before my birthday, but it's my birthday very soon, so we're gonna have like a family dinner at my nan's house today. It was also my brother's birthday a couple days ago, so it's like a joint birthday dinner thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that to sit, and I'm also gonna turn my straighteners on while I wait for this to set. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the straighteners to heat up, let me show you guys the hair in its natural state. So this is straight after washing. As you can see, it has like a slight wave to it. It's not like bone straight, but that doesn't bother me because it's still like silky soft, and it is tangle free as well. So yeah, we're just gonna begin straightening. I don't think I have time to like completely straighten section by section, so I'm literally just gonna grab pieces and just run the straightener over it. This is the GHD straightener, by the way. I have done a video for it, like a review video. Hair keeps sticking to my lip gloss. Should have wore a matte lip today. So let me give you a quick side by side. Once again, guys, this was just a quick kind of pass over of the hair, but as you can see, it has straightened really, really well, and it is literally so soft, tangle free. So I literally just took one little squirt of argan oil and I'm just gonna run it through the hair. Yes, I'm loving this hair. Like, look at my hands just running through it. There's not one tangle. This hair's gorgeous. Okay guys, so here we have them side by side. This is the straightened side and this is the just washed, like freshly natural state type of side. So this hair definitely straightens beautifully, and it definitely after washing keeps its softness, it keeps its tangle free feeling. It honestly feels so nice. This may be the best bundles I've received from AliExpress. Like, it's so soft. So yeah, I'm gonna go off camera quickly, straighten this side, and then I'll come back to show you guys the final look and also my final initial thoughts on Beauty Forever hair. I'm also thinking to, because of course I'm wearing it to my nan's house, I'm thinking if I can be asked and if I haven't drunk too much, I'm gonna come back and show you guys like how it looks after a long day's out, and if it tangles, or you know, give you my first thoughts on it wearing it out for the first time. Okay guys, and I'm back. So here we have the final hair, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this hair. Just look how soft it is. Like, I can run my hands through this 1,000 times and I won't get one knot, like not once. It feels exactly like when I first like unboxed it and put the wig on. Since I washed it and straightened it, it doesn't feel any different. It doesn't even look different. Do you see that flow? Just look at the ends. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this hair. Okay guys, and I'm back. So here we are a couple hours later. It is now, it's like 7 o'clock, so it's not too late. I just got really tired. You know, after you eat and then after you drink a couple glasses of wine, you're ready for bed. So I'm definitely ready to take this makeup off and go to bed. I'm exhausted, but this is how the hair is looking. I didn't brush it the whole time I was at my nan's. I just left it alone, but you know, I love running my hands through this hair. It's still tangle free, as you can see, even at the back, like there's literally no tangles. I would say it's gotten a little bit more frizzy than, you know, obviously how it started, but yeah, it does get a little bit frizzy, but nothing too crazy. Overall guys, I think the hair has done me really well for today, and I like the way it feels. It's definitely not too heavy, it's not too like, it's not annoying at all. However, if you noticed, I have tucked like the little bits behind my ear because I kept like feeling it fall in my face, and I hate when that happens. But as for the quality of the hair guys, like honestly, I've been running my hands through it all day. I am obsessed with this hair. I've just been sitting playing with it like this. No shedding as well, by the way guys, like at all today. Yeah, highly recommend this hair. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care, bye.